Hey there, today I'm going to give you a complete review of how to use Procurify, a step-by-step guide for smarter spend management. So let's get started. Procurify is a cloud-based spend management platform that helps businesses gain better control over purchasing, approvals, and overall procurement processes. It gives real-time visibility into company spending, ensures financial accountability, and streamlines workflows. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, Procurify offers the tools needed to track expenses, manage purchase requests, and optimize approvals efficiently. The best part is its features. Procurify allows purchase order management with centralized tracking and automated workflows, reducing errors and improving efficiency. Budget tracking ensures departments stay within limits, with notifications to prevent overspending. Customizable approval workflows strengthen compliance and accountability. Vendor management helps track performance, manage contracts, and maintain strong supplier relationships. Mobile accessibility lets you approve requests and track orders on the go, increasing productivity. Invoice and payment integrations with tools like QuickBooks and NetSuite simplify financial management. Spend analytics and reporting provide insights into spending patterns, supplier performance, and cost-saving opportunities. Of course, there are some considerations. Initial setup may take time for larger teams. Some advanced features may require training to use effectively. Small organizations might find certain features more than they need, but the platform scales well as your business grows. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.